Do you know pages and websites that have those little boxes that say we need to verify if you are a human? Type what you see. Usually they are letters or numbers that are all jumbled together, but still they are easy to read. Imagine there's a website that would pay you to fill those little boxes out. And guess what? There is history of these websites. These websites are trending websites right now that pay people hundreds of dollars to fill in those captchas. You can earn money online just by typing in captchas. The results of this method are not typical, which means you can earn a couple of dollars and you might earn thousands of dollars. So all you have to do is watch this video to the end so you can earn a lot of money online, and be sure not to miss out any important details. There are 3 steps to this method that you should follow to get paid. Over $60 are paid every 20 minutes just by typing captchas online. In this first step, I will review the top 3 websites that will pay you to type in captchas. Second step, I will show you the fastest way to cash out quickly on this website. And last, I will show you a strategy which could help you earn more money than anyone else. This is MoneyDoll, and welcome to the channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever I upload a new video. And also, please don't forget to like this video, and if you have any concern, question or suggestion, please leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. The first website that we are going to talk about today is called recaptcha.com. This website is not the highest paying website, but I will show you one that pays the highest. Be sure to stick around because I will be ranking this from the lowest paying website to the highest paying website. You should definitely get started with this because you can earn a lot of money with this method. This is a very good website to get started with. But before that, please like the video below, then comment down below the country you are in so I can upload a video that link to your country. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can read it here, captchas starting from $0 to $5 for 1,000 captchas. There are a lot of businesses out there that are running on computers, and as we all know, computers cannot solve this kind of captchas, and only human can, which is why they use this to make sure that you aren't robots. So we will need you to figure the captchas out for them. You will get paid instantly, and this is very easy to get started with. There are no special skills needed. This is very easy. Let's go on and proceed to the next website. This website is called megatypers.com. You can read it here. Easy job, earn money, earn type credit with over $200 every single month just by typing captchas. This is the second website, and this is very credible. They have people all over the world that are joining their website in solving captchas. Again, this is only the second highest paying website that gives you money online by solving captchas. Now the highest paying website is called blablo.com. You can read it here. Stable jobs for anyone everywhere in the world. This is available worldwide. You can see here that these websites have been here since 2007 and have been paying its users. They are accurate in tracking your progress and payments because they have a very accurate system. You can also read it here that they instantly liquidate, which means that they are paying you instantly as soon as you earn that money. If you scroll down below, you can find how many people around the world that express their testimonial about this website on how to earn money and how convenient it really is. If you want to learn more money about this kind of website that pay you money just by doing captchas, you can go on to this website called Money Connection. This website will show you every more website in which you can earn more money with this exact same method just by typing in captchas. You can find the top 8 websites that do this. This is how you can earn money from this method. Thank you so much for watching.